Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Data Patterns Off Campus is hiring freshers. So the job role for that is trainee. So we shall see the job details. So the job role, it is graduate engineer trainee, and the salary of the CTC, it is varies for freshers as well as experienced graduates. So we shall see the clear salary structure in the next slides. So the job location, it is work from home at present, and post COVID you need to relocate to Chennai, and the batch eligible, it is for 2021, and even others can apply for the job role. And the drive location, it is online, so all the rounds will be conducted virtually itself. And the service bond for this particular job, it is for 3 years. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BE or BTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply. And the branch eligible, it is for CSE, that is computer science, IT, ECE, triple E as well as E&I. And the batch eligible, it is for 2021. And the percentage criteria, it should be 60% throughout, 60% and above throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation. And there should be no standing arrears on the as per the date. So these are all the eligibility criteria for this job role. So the next thing is the salary structure or the salary details. So for the freshers, the salary it is 2.4 lakhs per annum, including the ESI as well as PF deduction. And for experienced graduates, that is for 1 plus year or for 2 plus years. So for 1 plus year, the salary structure it is 3.6 lakhs per annum, and for 2 plus years, it is 4.8 lakhs per annum. So this is the salary structure for both freshers as well as experienced graduates. So the next thing is the job roles as well as responsibilities. So you'll be involved in preparing the pseudocode as well as flowchart for the design, and also coding, unit testing as well as integrated testing, and you need to fix the bug. And also you need to prepare the software user manual as well as documentation. And also you need to assist in preparing the functional level design as well as unit test procedure, and you need to implement the standard practices. So these are the job roles and the responsibilities. So then coming to the skills that are needed for the job role. So the main thing is you need to have strong programming skills as well as knowledge of programming language such as C, data structures as well as operating system concepts, and knowledge of microprocessors, microcontrollers as well as good systems. So good programming skills on any of the programming languages is preferred, and you need to have good written as well as verbal communication skills. So these are the skills that are needed for the job role. So the next thing is the selection process. There are three different rounds. So the first round will be the online test, second is the technical interview, and the third round is the HR interview. So these are the three rounds that are included in the selection process. So coming to the application link, it is through My Anatomy platform. So you can just enter your mail, verify, and you can enter the code, and then you can proceed with your application. You can enter your first name, your contact number, your gender, and your current city, and the graduation, college or state. And if you have done any post graduation, you can mention that, else you can choose any not applicable. And your graduation degree, everything, and the percentage, everything. After that you should choose as like you are ready to relocate to Chennai, and you need to join immediately for this, and you need to agree 3 years of bond, and you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.